we might have been looking at the Tesla Semi the wrong way. It's not a burden. It could actually be Tesla's flagship product in the years ahead. Elon Musk has called the Tesla Semi a money machine many times because it's the electric truck with the lowest energy consumption per mile. We bet you'd be hard-pressed to find another truck that costs only about 15 cents per mile to run. That's why Elon Musk is confident that in the future freight companies could actually lose money if they don't switch to electric trucks like Semi. For years, that claim was met with plenty of skepticism in the trucking industry. After all, traditional trucking has relied on diesel engines for decades, and many people believed electric trucks couldn't compete on cost, durability, or long-haul capability. But recent real-world testing is starting to show that Tesla's CEO may not have been exaggerating at all. So just how efficient and how insanely cost-effective is the Tesla Semi? The clearest proof comes from a real-world pilot program conducted by the logistics company Moan Transport in Texas. In this program, the Tesla Semi wasn't tested in a lab or under tightly controlled ideal conditions. Instead, it was put to work exactly the way a commercial truck would be used every day, hauling real cargo, driving long routes, and operating continuously within the company's logistics network. Over the course of the trial, the truck logged more than 4,700 m. What's remarkable is that the results actually exceeded Tesla's original expectations. So what happened? According to data released by Moan Transport, the Tesla Semi achieved an average energy consumption of just about 1.64 kWh per mile. That's extremely impressive considering Tesla originally targeted around 1.7 kWh per mile for the truck. In other words, in real-world operation, the vehicle actually performed better than what the manufacturer promised. But what really caught the trucking industry's attention isn't just the energy efficiency. It's the operating cost that comes from that electricity usage. In Texas, the average commercial electricity price is currently around 9.12 cents per kWh. Multiply that by 1.64 kWh per mile, and the energy cost to run a Tesla Semi comes out to roughly 15 cents per mile. That number might sound small, but in the trucking business, where each truck can drive hundreds of thousands of miles per year, a difference of just a few dozen cents per mile can completely reshape a company's cost structure. To really see the difference, we need to compare it with traditional diesel trucks, which still dominate the global freight industry. A typical Class 8 diesel truck usually gets about 6 to 7 m per gallon. If we take an average of 6.5 m per gallon and combine it with the average diesel price in the Gulf Coast region of about $3.11 per gallon, the fuel cost for a diesel truck comes out to roughly 48 cents per mile. Put those numbers side by side, and the gap becomes obvious. Tesla Semi, about 15 cents per mile, and a diesel truck, nearly 48 cents per mile. So what does that actually mean? Okay. It means the energy cost of the Tesla Semi is nearly 70% lower than a traditional diesel truck. In the logistics industry, that's an enormous gap. A long-haul truck can easily drive around 100,000 m per year. If it runs on diesel at roughly 48 cents per mile, a company would spend close to $48,000 per year on fuel alone. But if that same truck were a Tesla Semi running at about 15 cents per mile, the electricity cost for the same distance would be only around $15,000. That means each truck could save about $33,000 every single year. When you scale that up to an entire fleet, the economic advantage becomes even clearer. A transportation company operating 100 long-haul trucks could save more than $3 million per year just from lower energy costs. Over the lifetime of a truck, typically 10 years or more, the total savings could reach tens of millions of dollars. Yeah, that's why when Elon Musk calls the Tesla Semi a money machine, he's not just talking about technology or performance. He's talking about a completely new economic model for the trucking industry. And the benefits don't stop at fuel costs. The Tesla Semi also has the potential to significantly reduce maintenance expenses. Traditional diesel trucks contain a huge number of complex mechanical components, multi-gear transmissions, exhaust after-treatment systems, fuel pumps, turbochargers, and many other moving parts. All of these require regular maintenance and can fail after long periods of use. By contrast, an electric drivetrain is much simpler with far fewer moving parts. That means less wear and tear, a lower chance of mechanical failure, and significantly reduced maintenance costs over time. There's also another major advantage. We mean energy price stability. You know, diesel prices on the global market can swing wildly due to geopolitical tensions. For example, conflicts involving the US and Iran. And you already know how tense those situations can get. Sorry, we won't go too deep into it here. But the bottom line is that fuel prices are likely to become even more volatile in the future. Electricity, on the other hand, tends to be much more stable, especially when companies can sign long-term power purchase agreements. That allows trucking companies to predict their operating costs more accurately and plan their finances with far greater confidence. Okay. The operating cost numbers are clearly the strongest proof that the Tesla Semi could truly be a money machine. But what is it actually like for the driver inside the truck? Is the experience really as good as Tesla claims in the trucking industry? Economic efficiency is crucial, but driver experience matters just as much. A truck might be extremely cost-efficient, but if it leaves drivers exhausted, is difficult to use, or lacks comfort, it's unlikely to be adopted at scale by transportation companies. Earlier versions of the Tesla Semi still had a few shortcomings. That's why with the release of the newer version, Tesla introduced a series of notable upgrades inside the cabin, aiming to optimize the workspace for long-haul truck drivers. In the earlier prototype, the Tesla Semi already attracted attention by replacing the traditional instrument cluster with two 15-inch displays. But in the new production version, Tesla has upgraded those screens to 16-in, giving drivers more display space and better visibility. These two screens act as the central control hub for the entire truck. All critical information from speed, energy levels, trip data, and navigation to safety alerts is displayed in real time on a digital interface. This creates a major difference compared to traditional diesel trucks, where the dashboard still mostly relies on